not a joke. This is very serious, guys. They will be hard to digest when this is over.
Down here does not look safe. It comes straight ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Hilary Reactions. But now I need us to discuss about one thing, because I want you to tell me, Jamaicans, my beautiful Jamaicans, my beautiful people from the Caribbean. Now, we all know that there is an incoming, or rather oncoming, Hurricane Melissa that's about to hit Jamaica in the coming days. A few days to be precise. But now I want you to tell me, why do you Jamaicans, we know you are a very beautiful country with people full of positive vibe, but why do you actually have to turn everything negative, everything bad to a positive vibe? Because why the heck on this world would you be reacting, or rather responding this way to this news? I mean, we all know that lives will be lost and properties will be damaged. But now, I'd love for you to watch this video up to the end of how Jamaicans have been responding, or rather reacting to the news that there is an oncoming Hurricane Melissa. And you keep in mind that this is a category 5. So guys, once again, watch this video up to the end. Consider giving this channel a subscribe and this video a thumbs up. So watch this video and stay tuned. Subscribe so that you don't miss any updates that I'll be sharing on my channel. So watch this video and then I'll be back with a few comments.
Hey, this isn't a breaking news thing. I've done about 25 swipes on my timeline, and I've seen over 15 lives of Jamaicans just playing in the water, in the rain, in the water, shooting the shit with the homies. What the fuck? You motherfuckers had us up here concerned and worried.
After me hear the Prime Minister give the broadcast, me decide say me go in my drawer, go take out the one little new frock me have in my drawer, because Melissa will not come here come wear it before me. Because according to the Prime Minister, we will all be impacted. Me go tell you what else the Prime Minister said, but look for my frock. Alright, because we don't have nowhere to go. Outside now keep, you understand? And that's my little frock. So Melissa can't wear it before me, alright? No, a couple of things that the Prime Minister said. So I have to sit down and make some notes so that you don't have to. In case you miss it or him did a talk and you never did understand. So the first thing him said, the storm will come and it will lick you all away. And she's like a old girl, so she not depend no rush. So she planned for come sit down over Jamaica and have all her children them over with head. On top of that, if you ever see the man them will go at gym and them miss leg days and all them do a go up and build up here, so that's Melissa. Because up here so she grow muscle like crazy. Whole heap of water, whole heap of wind, but down at the foot weak, so she not gonna move fast. That's what the Prime Minister said. This is the kind of storm. So you know, if you have a crazy baby mother or one angry woman when I like you and out forget you, is Melissa. Bear that in mind. So in talk about readiness, focus. Alright, so I'm saying you have to safeguard your life and your property. So for those of you who have your house, make sure you use sandbags at the doorway, sandbags on the roof. And also he says that if you can button up the windows, button up the windows. Alright, because the rain are going off and it are going there for long. He also said that you need to prepare to buy food. So all I own what did name out food already. Him same ask the shop them for kind of open as long as they can for entertain on, so no go on back and buy food. Who can't really buy food? Him say that him go ask the MP them and stuff for help out other people. But remember say nobody go with no long belly, wanga belly, so that you feel like you have to have full belly for all of the days, because you have to try to reach as many people as possible. And as much as he's trying, he may not be able to feed everybody. Alright, water, make sure so you have water in your yard. So store water. And for your documents, he's asking you please to put them in plastic bag, like your birth certificate, your NIS, your TRN, your passport, your visa, and them something there. Put them in a one plastic bag and put them underneath on a bed mattress. Which part of no keep on the money? You understand? Right there, so I'm putting money them in a plastic bag too, cause if any other money wash away and come on my yard, remember say you no longer have it. Remember, alright? So see if you had a little money and a little something in a plastic bag. He says that you're gonna need your documents, cause when the storm is over and they might try assist people, he will have to assist those who have them documents, because he have to keep accountability on the table. So only so people not take all of the money and say then give it to whoever never cannot be identified. So make sure so you have your documents together. May I go quickly, so stay with me. All right. He also said that the community, what makes us Jamaican, is our little sense of community, and that we look out for each other. So look out for your brother and your sister, them and people who need help, and the sick and the vulnerables in your community. Make sure so no look out for them. And if anybody see Jaden, please, he's asking you to alert the authorities as well. Alright, may I make notes? Bear with me. So we are go along. So I'm asking the MP for assistance, and also civic groups and political stakeholders for assistance and out anything at all that they can reach. He also says that they're trying to clean the drains. You understand? But some of them were down in the yard, but when they did that throw the garbage in, he may not get to all of them. So I'm begging for the next time, stop throw the garbage in the drain them. You understand? Him said that. Because we're not nasty people. We are Jamaicans. So we discard, we dash where we waste them properly. You understand? That's what he says. Alright? So the drains and the gullies are being cleaned. So you might not see all of them clean. Alright? Yeah, and for the people that want in the keys, remember him say Melissa is a mad girl. We never seen no other woman like this before. You understand? Cross, angry, and miserable. Don't take her for granted. So make sure say wanna move to higher grounds. And people, pray. We need God. Pray for one another. Yeah? Alright, bye. Love you all. May God be with us.
Guys, why are all the major news networks in Jamaica covering the hurricane? This is serious. Once I see Fox News and CBS News, and they're anticipating heavy, heavy winds. According to Fox Weather, they're saying that this is going to be historical. Historical. Be safe, guys. Be safe.
Bomba! Kude! Yo! Yo, down there, man! Bomba! Bomba, breadfruit tree, bread dog! Breadfruit tree, bread dog! Bomba clean! Melissa! One of your stress! And go back home! This man!
Bomba, to hear that, people? This is really dangerous. My name is Chiny K, and you're watching Bass Spearfishing YouTube channel, and today is October the 26th, 2025, and me I go give you a live broadcast of what been going on. As you know, catastrophic hurricane is on its way to Jamaica. It's almost here. That hurricane, you don't know it, it's Melissa. At this moment, they're saying that it's probably about a category 4, and to expect it might climb 5 or more. You know, it probably be a history hurricane. Right now, we encourage everybody to get them food. Everybody's supposed to get them food already. Me pass enough of my neighbor, them a line up them house, them a put block, you know, cause it's gonna bring a lot of wind, a lot of rain. The rain even start fall. It's falling already, as you can see. Me no mind, because me are doing a live broadcast of what's been going on. It's dangerous, but right now I'm gonna try walk, go around the seaside and make you see how the ocean is behaving. At this time, it's really cloudy. We don't have a lot of wind as yet, on and off. So the place is looking good. A lot of tree dropping down. So just I'll give you a before, now, and then after, later.
So once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Tyrell Reactions. Now I need to put something straight. Jamaicans, you are amazing people. We totally love you and we need you to be safe. We need you. The world still needs you. We still need you. So that's why we are urging you to please keep safe. I don't know why I feel like you going with this mentality of if you worry, you die. If you don't worry, you still die. Because I'm convinced to some point that that's the same mentality that's driving my beautiful people from Jamaica. The government has urged people to take the required precautions. Be prepared, because we all know how bad Category 5 hurricane will be, or rather is. It's not the first time we're hearing about the Category 5. It has happened to some parts of the world, and we've seen the catastrophic, the damages that it came with. I wouldn't love that. Even though there is nothing we could do, but we could prepare ourselves by making sure that we prep enough. It can reduce the amount of damages rather than just sitting there saying that whatever will happen will happen. I'd love for us, to my beautiful Jamaicans, to please take the necessary precautions. We can see all the big channels that has been giving us news, not just in Jamaica but all over Europe. They have come out and urged Jamaicans to please listen to what the government, to what the Prime Minister has been telling Jamaicans. You need to be moved to a safer ground. You need to leave those places that you've been told that they'll receive heavy winds, and I just don't want to mention it, but Jamaicans, please, we still need you, and that's why we are urging you to please be safe, move to higher grounds. And for those Jamaicans who are not in a position to afford the means of transport to vacate those areas, I'd love for the government of Jamaica to please do something. Make sure you extend a helping hand to these people. These are your people. To those leaders in the government, don't just sit back and say that it's about the country's Prime Minister to make sure that they deal with this. Now, you as leaders, these people voted for you in. You need to serve them. You need to extend. We've seen the promises that you leaders have been giving people. But now it's time to prove your worth to the people. Help them, help the Prime Minister. Even if it's not the Prime Minister, help your people, help the people of Jamaica. Help them move to safer grounds. We all know what this Category 5 hurricane is going to be. We all know what's going to do. And I wouldn't like for my fellow Jamaican friends and families to just sit back and say that let whatever will happen to happen. We've seen videos of people from Jamaica whereby they have been asked to move, but they refused to move. I don't know what they expect. I mean, just get yourself to safer grounds. And to my viewers, all the people from the Caribbeans, my African viewers, people from Europe, let's put all the hatred aside. We've been seeing people hate on Jamaica because Jamaica is a big brand, and because Jamaica has been achieving a lot better than them. But at this point, I'd love for all of us to please come together, pray for Jamaica, and pray that they overcome this. We know that during this period, it's a period of people going to face uncomfortable situations, but I'd love, or rather love, to assure you this: it's better to feel uncomfortable for a shorter period of time than lose your life. We know life is way more worth important than anything in this world. So, to my beautiful viewers, let's pray for our beautiful country in the Caribbean, which is Jamaica. And we've seen also the Dominican Republic and also Haiti. I mean, we are praying for you guys. We hope that these will soon come to an end. So guys, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any updates that I'll be sharing. And to my returning subscribers, I have to say thank you so much for the love and support you've given unto me. So otherwise, I'm your host, Tyrell Reactions, and until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.